Lizzie, afternoon, oh sorry, morning. I just want to show you guys, they're all following me now. If you have any issues with dogs with appliances, okay, where the dog's always chasing over. Okay, now Lizzie used to be, I haven't seen her for a long time, she's had an operation on her eye, bless her. She's had her hernia done, she's fighting fit, she's back with me again today. And for some reason, she's a lot calmer. So, Donna, whatever you've been doing with her in the time she's been away, spot on. She's a different dog since she's come back. She's so much calmer. She's got a little bit older, but she's so much calmer than she used to be, charging around like a bull in a china shop. But she used to attack my hoover when I was hoovering up, okay? So I want to see if it works. And I want to see if I can stop it and show you guys how to do it, okay? Let's see if I get it. Right, let's see if she actually even goes for the hoover. I don't even know if she's going to do. Whoa! Yeah, she still hates the hoover. Okay? She still wants to attack the hoover. Lizzie, leave! Lizzie, Lizzie, leave! Good girl. Lizzie, leave! Good girl. Lizzie, Lizzie, leave! Good girl. Lizzie, leave! Good girl. Lizzie, Lizzie, leave. Good girl. Lizzie, Lizzie, leave. Good girl. Good girl. Lizzie, leave. Good girl. So we take the hoover close and introduce the trick, Lizzie. Leave. Good girl. Excuse me, Eddie. Lizzie, come. Lizzie, sit. Sit. Good girl. Come. Sit. Good girl. Leave. Good girl. Lizzie, leave. Lizzie, sit. Leave. Lizzie. Good girl. Lizzie, leave. Lizzie, leave. Lizzie, leave. Lizzie, good girl. Good. Lizzie, leave. Good girl. Leave. Good girl. Lizzie, leave. Good girl. Lizzie, leave. Lizzie. Good girl. Lizzie, leave. Now. What is it? Good. Leave. Good girl. Leave. Lizzie, leave. 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 Lizzie, leave. Good girl. Good. Here we go. I can hoover now. Lizzie, leave. I can hoover. But Lizzie. Sorry, buddy. Leave. Good girl. It's the basic stuff. Now she's not trying to kill my hoover. When I first started it up, she wanted to bite it. Okay? Just little things we can do, and this is what we work on in here. Okay? So I want to Lizzie, leave. I want to get a hoover comfortably. Nothing worse than hoovering than a dog chasing it around here. She's not interested now. Ah, happy days. That's what we do. Okay? I don't know if the dogs were blocking the video at the beginning there, but Lizzie just wanted to rip my hoover to pieces. She's always been a bit funny with the hoover. But just little steps with the hoover and introducing treats and commands. Okay, fixes the problem. She's not interested in my hoover anymore. So I'm hoping she's had a break. Harley, that's naughty. I'm hoping she's had a break, so I want to see if I can switch the hoover back on and her not be interested in it. It might go wrong, but if it does go wrong, we keep repeating the same process, okay? But I've introduced the leave command. Okay, let's just see if that works. Leave. Leave. Love it! Good girl! There we go. Bit of a strange video for you, but just showing you what we can get up to, you know? All the little things that we can fix that are a pain. Because like I say, I don't know if you could hear me when the hoover was going. Hey, good girl. I don't know if you could hear me when the video was going, but there's nothing worse than trying to hoover and your dog ripping the hoover to pieces. She's a good girl, this one. Hope you enjoyed that. I did. And hopefully that's, we'll keep working on that, and that's Lizzie now hoover friendly. Have a great day. Oh.